yeah, let's get started.
You may have noticed it's been a long time since I've uploaded. That's because, at school I have a lot of projects now because I'm in 7th grade in a private school. And I had 2 out-of-school tests, which were really hard, and I had to study for them. So I had a Math Kangaroo Olympiad test, and I had a Sanskrit test. So Sanskrit's like a language. You may know that, you may not. So anyways, that's why I am posting after such a long time. So anyways, today, as I told you guys in the last episode, we're going to go over the 3 Nikhilodeon apps. Okay, so in the previous episode, we went over the homepage and all the features, sign out and all that stuff. So today we're going to do this. So let's get started. Off with NickPoll, the oldest and the first Nikhilodeon app. So NickPoll is just basically a place so you can create polls and share it and all that stuff. So anyways, when we first come on, you would see a screen like this. You have no polls. To create one, click the button below. So if I want a poll, I would click create. And then I get redirected to this page over here. Here I would type a title for my poll. So let's say favorite book. And then we would click go. And then input field comes and asks us how many questions would you like. So I only need 1 for this poll, so I'm going to click 1 and enter. And then the first question: what is your favorite book? Question mark. The options, I'm just going to put Harry Potter. And maybe Hunger Games. And notice, I click the button over here to add another option. So yeah, that's why I have my 3rd option here. And let's put Percy Jackson. Okay, so this is enough. Now we can go over our poll. And if everything looks good, we can click done. And then the browser may say, would you like to save it and stuff, but you don't need to. Anyways, so this is how your poll will look. Favorite book, your name, and this is how your poll will be. But notice, the submit button does not work. The submit button does not work because this is just a preview. It's not the actual test. So, and these are the information about your poll. So this is the link, this is the favorite book, and this is the password. So I will copy this and I will paste it in my search bar. And then I click enter and I'm redirected to this page over here. So here, this is how my thing is going to look. So now I will take this poll. Favorite book. What is your favorite book? I'm just going to answer Harry Potter. And I'll click submit. So here there's an option to see the poll statistics. So once you click that, a message saying, what type of chart would you like to see the poll data in? And the options are a column chart or pie chart. I want a column chart. Let's keep it simple. Go. And then it says we have 1 vote for the Harry Potter series, which was the input I just entered. Anyways, now we can go back to the home page. And at the home page, things have changed. We see that a new section has come saying your polls. And then the poll we just created right now is there. So if you click it, we can see the stats. So this is how it looks in the pie chart, Harry Potter series being purple. And you can switch it here as well and stuff. So now, you can end voting for this poll. That means you can get rid of this poll. And when I say that, I mean like you will not have access to the stats of this poll anymore, and all the data recorded will be deleted. And then other people in the public can use the same template, and they can use it to solve their own problems. So say I would like to end voting for this poll. I end voting for this poll. And we see the screen again as we saw in the beginning. Now we click the polls button. Here, our food poll is there. Notice our poll did not go in there because it was on private. So the way you get it, your poll into public is that when you are creating a poll, you have to add a plus sign at your title. So that's what you do to get a public poll. So now let's exit, and that's Nick poll for you. And next we will do NickChat. I don't know. So when you come to NickSpell, you are greeted by a purple screen that says NickSpell, and it has some stats here. Your average accuracy. I've been doing some spelling and I got a good score. And you got a spelling test, which allows you to take it, and a custom test. We'll go over these in just a moment. First of all, in spelling test, if you click it, there are many options for you to choose for. There's spelling unit 1 through 36. So these spelling units are based on a textbook that I use at my school. So, and another thing, only 7th grade has these additional 36. Every other grade only has their one spelling test, which is based for their grade, which has the correct words. So we can click a different test, and if you click take quiz, we can take the quiz. Now, there's also a custom test. If you click custom test, it takes you to a page that looks like this. So you can add custom words, like which may not be covered in the test. So say my custom word is alphabet. I'm going easy on myself. If you click enter, it's part of your word list. I also see that I have two other words, hi and ABCDF. I want to get rid of these. So I would check them both and delete them. And they're gone. And I only have this one word. Now let me take a quiz on this one word. The quiz has started.
Alphabet.
Alphabet. Oh, I got the correct answer. And now, once the quiz is done, you can go home. And all your data is saved. The word alphabet will still be in your custom page. And if you don't want it, you can take care of it later. Okay, now I'll just take a spelling unit 1 test. So these, if you're in 7th grade and you're taking this test, there are 30 words. So usually it's 30. In some units are 28, 29, 31, 32. So it kind of varies. So let's take the quiz.
Emission.
Emission. As you see, I spelled the word wrong, and it tells that I got the word wrong. I did it on purpose. And next, after like a few seconds, the next question pops up. And you answer this again.
Concession.
Concession. And I got that correct. So you get the point. Now let's go home again. So that's NickSpell. Next we are going to do NickChat. So when I click NickChat, I get redirected to this page. So normally you wouldn't be seeing this page. There would be a button here, like over here, which says create. Well, because I already started on my account and I've started doing some chatting, I guess. That's why I see a different screen. But anyways, this button takes you to the same spot as the button which would be in the middle of the screen. So let's click that. Okay, So now the first thing this form wants is the name of the group. Let's call it the Troopers. And I'm going to search for people. Let's see, Nikhilodeon. And I select Nikhilodeon. And as you may have noticed, when I select Nikhilodeon, it appears down here. And it also disappears from the results section. So, another thing. Nikhilodeon is a server which I made, so it's not a real person, so you won't be able to find it when you guys start using it. So anyways, we will click submit. And now, we have a new chat called Troopers. As you can see here, it says Nikhil123 and Nikhliodeon the people, and I can start chatting with my buddy. Say something. The server is kind of slow, but soon it won't be that slow. Anyways, so we tap the first message, say something. Now, Nikhilodeon can type back, and it would appear on the left side in gray. Anyways, here if you click this button, there's also remove but person and add person option. For add person, it's the same as create a group, so you know how that works. Go home again, and then say we want to remove a person. All we do is you just select one person or multiple people, and then what you just click go, and they are kicked. So that's how that works. So this is NickChat, and that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you later.